guys, today we're gonna make slime. These are your ingredients: Persil, glue, food coloring. You could use activator or borax, or you could use a dishwashing soap. It's better to use Persil as a dishwashing soap if you don't have borax or activator. First, I'm going to start by placing a good amount of some glue into my bowl, and then I'm going to take my Persil and I'm going to put some on it. I already have the mixture ready. I got it ready before, but I prefer not to mix it with your hand, not to mix it with a spoon. Mix it with your hands when you're doing the slime. So now, since we have the regular color, I'm going to pick a certain color. I want to go for a bright red. Okay, so we gotta, from here. Okay guys, we have yellow, orange, and blue. But I'm gonna go, this is actually pink, so we're gonna go with red. Okay, here's our slime. Okay, it looks like blood. A bit like blood. Oh, it's turning into a light pink. I like how it's going. Smells really hard. Smells really, really hard. Can't take it. Okay, the color is still not getting together. So I'm gonna place it, put my slime in here, and then I'm gonna place, don't put too much because we don't want, if you're like doing a red or going for a pink color, we don't want you, I'm bleeding. Ew, it looks so not cool. Looks really not into shape. The red feels really bad. I feel like the pink is better, the yellow, but the red more looks like a bloodish color. But it's still turning out to be a cute pink, which I like. I like this neon pink, so I'm going for it. Why not take some more to get that darker a bit, because I don't want to waste any color. Ew, it's looking cool. Oh my god, yay! It's looking really fun and stretchy. So if you can do like this with your slime, it's perfect. I'm going to wrap it around my hand so the red there will get together. And guys, there you go. We got a really cool, fun, awesome pink slime. There you go. It's so satisfying. Look at that. And I'm in love with the color. It's like a cotton candy pink, which is really fun to play with. Looks really cool, which I'm obsessed with now. Look at it. Woo! We could even like make a bubble out of it. Look. We're gonna stretch it. Stretching. So cool, fun, awesome slime. Bye guys!